This is the TechSoup.org home page. From here, you can locate products that are available through our donor partners donation programs through search or by browsing for products based on the product donor, the type of solution the product can be used for, or based on products commonly requested by certain organization types. If you choose to browse by product donor, simply select a donor partner from the product donor menu to see that partner's program overview and all the products that they offer. The overview page typically has the partner logo and a brief description which gives an introduction to the donation program. It also includes a brief summary of what you can do with the donor partner's products. Below that, you can find more information about the donation program in these collapsible sections. Eligibility and restrictions summary is in the first section and provides a brief overview of eligibility criteria that typically lets you know how many requests you can make in a fiscal year if you're eligible for this program. It also contains a link to the full eligibility and restrictions page so you can read the complete eligibility details. In the About section, you can read more about the donation partner and their donation philosophy or their relationship with nonprofits. And there might be various other sections here with additional information about the program. Then we have the product listings for each product the donor offers. These listings include the product name and image, a short description, the admin fee, and a View Details link you can click to visit the individual product page and request the product. When partners make many products available through TechSoup, these products might be separated into categories with a drop-down menu. Let's take a look at a product page. The target audience for the product page information is the person within the nonprofit we call an accidental techie. That person might have more technical knowledge than others in the organization, but not necessarily be an expert. The product page content includes a description of the product, system requirements for the product, and the rules, eligibility, and restrictions section with restrictions for all products offered by a donation partner. We want nonprofits to look to TechSoup as a trusted resource for clear, concise information to help them decide whether they want a product and how to use it to fulfill their missions. To that end, we try to maintain a consistent appearance, structure, and writing style across all hundreds of donated products. In order to avoid the appearance of preferential treatment, we avoid superlatives and other words like best or easily that are intended more to persuade than to inform. The descriptions always begin with a brief overview of what the product is or does in 1 or 2 sentences. It's followed by a second paragraph explaining exactly what an organization that requests this product will receive with the donation. This covers basic software licensing details, like how many users or user licenses are included, or for a cloud-based service might cover subscription details like the duration of subscription or how much online storage space you get. After that, we include a section called Benefits for Organizations that lists 1 or more suggestions of how users at a nonprofit, library, or charity can use the product. These examples are specific to nonprofits and might be collected from the partner's suggestions, case studies, TechSoup's forums or feedback, or other sources. Below that, we usually include a bulleted list of the major capabilities that we've identified as important to our organizations. We also include a summary of the support options included with the donation, whether email or online or chat support are available or not, and there might be other sections for products with more complicated licensing or subscription terms that explain the specific details of those terms. This might include a contract if that's needed. Near the bottom, they'll find information about receiving your donation if you're a nonprofit. This might include a notice for products that cannot be returned or exchanged, and it always includes information that an organization can expect in the fulfillment process. So that includes whether you receive an email with a download link or a license key or something like that. The last few elements of the page are some product suggestions that TechSoup makes based on the products that might go well with any given product. And below that, there are a few links to helpful resources on TechSoup. The installation and licensing page, which has details about how you go about receiving your donation, our product donation FAQ, and then finally a link to the partner support site. And that was an overview of our program and product pages. Thanks for listening.